Welcome to one of the finest parts of Little Traverse Bay.
With access to gorgeous Little Traverse Bay, this home also holds the key to a rich history. It is an updated cottage from 1910, originally used to house the card players for gamblers that worked at the Ramona Park Hotel.
This area was first visited one of the biggest backbone parts of the community that we had back in the 1880s, really before Harbor Springs and Petoskey were huge. We had the Ramona Park Hotel. This was one of the main gathering points that anybody would come to.
The home was lifted up, so now the main living space is perched on the upper level with two masters upstairs. Open living space and porches to enjoy the sunshine.
This was one of 4 homes that was built back here for the help, and this is where the gambling went on. A lot of this home has been meticulously maintained to the effect that it's still there with the original fireplace, tons of old beadboard, a phenomenal amount of really well-kept woodwork.
In the lower level, you'll find space to entertain with a bar area and sleeping arrangements with a Murphy bed. But the fun continues outside down a private path to your own beach with limited access.
You have direct access with this private beach. There's no association, there's no dues, but this is deeded, private, and shared with you and a few other people in this area on this road.
A little hint of the days gone by and the history shared within the walls and on the property. Mixed with a gorgeous location for hiking and exploring the water, this home is a unique find in northern Michigan.
Overall, it's a very beautiful home on a very historic place and completely updated.
For Amazing Northern Michigan Homes in Harbor Springs, I'm Katie Boomgard.